How to switch countries on the Amazon app. I will show you both the Android and the iPhone. At first, the Android. Open the Amazon app and click on the menu button. As you can see, the settings option is no longer available here, but look for the symbol. This profile icon has moved to here. Just click on it. As you can see on the top right, your default country will appear. So we will click on the country flag. And multiple countries will now show up. Click on the one which you wish to choose and then press continue. On the Android, the Amazon app does not support switching, so we will now open a new window on the Chrome browser. As you can see, we are now logged in with the Amazon.com with same credentials. This was how we switch countries on the Android. Now I will show you how to switch countries on the iPhone. Open the Amazon app and click on the menu on the right bottom side. Look for the same profile icon and then click on it. Now click on the flag again. And now we have a list of options. If you want to choose a completely different country, then you can do so by manually selecting the desired country. Unlike the Android, the iPhone does not need to go to the phone browser. You can switch countries on the app itself. Thanks for watching.